hang on. Wil je nog happy, hè? Nog happy, mama?
Nog?
Eet je kossies.
The thing is, this thing's distracting as well.
Eet je kos. Njam. Lekker rijstjes. Het is zo moeg, mama.
Lekker racey.
Nog happy? Nog happy? Nog happy? Nog happy?
Fingers out the mouth. Fingers out the mouth. Yummy. Sorry. Yummy. That is good rice.
Nice basmati rice.
Yum. Yum. Gonna eat some more. Where is this? Gonna open your mouth nicely?
Happy? Nog happy? Nog happy?
Open? Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. You like your Indian food?